Number 5. This is for Bobby. 2017 Top Scrum. Gotcha. Tier 1's been out for a while. We have a break under the GB's tab with Tier 1 in it, though. I think it has 4 left. 4 left in that one. 3 left in Super Break 21. And then 9 left in Helmet. Everything else is full, broken, or getting ready to break. Tier 1's on my front page? I forgot to take that attribute off. Thanks, man. Whenever I brought it back in yesterday, I forgot. I mean, I just put it back on the website and I forgot. I appreciate you telling me that. It's gone if you refresh. I don't know why I had it like that. There's a front page button that you can click for new releases, and I forgot to take it off on the back end of the website. Rob, it's coming up. I was just getting a couple, some of these guys singles. They've been waiting for a minute, so we did some other group breaks. That was sent over later, so Josh Bell, Michael Fulmer, Andrew Benintendi, Addison Russell, Renato, David Price, Wilson Contreras, Dan Vogelbach, Tyler Austin, rookie autograph, Rob Segedin, Adrian Gonzalez, Kenta Maeda, German Marquez, Matt Stram, and base, Orlando Arcia, Hunter Dozier negative rookie, Starlin Marte, Aaron Judge, freshman flash, Roman Quinn, Kyle Kendricks, Chris Bryant, Johan Moncada, Zach Greinke, David Dahl, Adam Duvall, Robertson, purple, Noah Syndergaard, Robinson Cano, and Carson Fulmer. Bobby, you got Rob and Tyler. We actually hit the superfractor of Tyler, autograph 101, when it first came out. Thanks, Bobby.